Okay, I have the Google Sheet. All right, so you can see the Google Sheet over here, and I want to put in a drop down, all right, box. Okay, I want to create a drop down box. So first, let's assume I want to put a drop down box over here. All right, so this is the location. So I need to select it first. Once I select it, okay, you should be able to find a insert drop down. And once you click that, okay, there's two ways to create this basically. First, you just choose the normal drop down and add as many items as you want. Okay, so let's say give it some name, right? So let's say I give this some name. Okay, you can change the color, all right? If you some random color, all right? Okay, and click done. This one has changed, and now you will see a drop down. Okay, you will see the drop down over here. Okay, you can use the advanced option and play around with it. Okay, the style is just a normal style. Or you can see a normal style. You can see the changes over here. So if you do not want it to look like a small little round, okay, you can just make it a regular, what, regular drop down like this. Okay, so you can play around with this. But these are a normal drop down. See, these are a normal drop down. Right, so that. Okay. But what if I want something that is a drop down, but I can set a range to it? Similar process. All right. So you have a drop down, but this time, all right, you don't go for a normal drop down. But you drop down from a range. Okay. So you have to choose some place where you put your drop down value. Right. So let's say I put this grade A, then grade A B, right, and maybe all right, uh, pass and fail. Right. So once you have this, okay, you already have your drop down from a range. Where is your data? Select the range. So select the range. Right. Which seat, which particular area, and click OK. Right. You will see they will create this for you. Right. They will actually create this for you. Right. Okay. And now you should be able to see your drop down over here. Okay, based on what I've created over uh, here. Okay, grade A, grade B, pass, and fail. But what if I go here and make a change? Okay, so I'm going to test this. So the pass will now be called grade C. Okay, so the pass is now to A, B, C grade and a fail. This one is changed to C. Right, it follows what you do over here. Okay, all right. So play around with the drop down. Okay, it makes, well, the spreadsheet a little bit better to use.